Warning. Make sure to turn down your volume before I sound a siren. It's very loud. Only turn it up for the appropriate conditions. For an example, me talking, if me talking is important to you. I value your hearing, so be careful.
Hi everybody, Whemenoc Alarms here, and today I am going to do an official first siren test of my M50-SPD. It's a dual-tone siren and it's 15 watts. So, I said that in the unboxing thing too, but yeah. Alright, so let's get testing. We are going to be doing 3-minute alert. Now let's run downstairs. Three minutes has started. Oh my gosh, though. Okay, let's see how far I can go hearing that thing. I don't know if this is really a, a good idea, but because I really don't know how many people can hear that from outside. I'm actually gonna try to pull it off. Hopefully I don't get anyone pissed and they call the cops or anything. But here we go. I really hope but yeah. 1 minute left. Can we do it? That's all the troubles I've been having. That's actually very loud, even through my headphones. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, well. Thanks for watching the video of my siren test, 3 minutes on alert. Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, share, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!